Hi, today I'm recording a video review to let you know that this product really doesn't stand at all. So as you can see, all these within the first week of use, a lot of these has broken off. So the fitting for these tiles and tubes are really inconsistent. So when you're trying to pull them up together, some just got damaged. So as you can see here, it starts to tear already, and some others. So for example, these ones, that one of the footing has already lost. So this one is teared apart. So let me show you what do I mean by inconsistent fitting. So for example, this is a tile, and this one it's a extra tight fitting tile. You assemble them this way, right? It's properly assembled. It's really hard, really hard to pull off. You have to use that much of force to pull off. Of course, it's impossible for a kid to pull off. And this one instead is a standard fitting one. And after fitting, although it needs some force, a kid can properly take it apart. Actually, because some of the fitting are so tight, this piece of tile has been damaged, and I'll have to glue it back using some Gorilla Glues. Now it's no longer translucent. So within the first week of usage, this many pieces has been damaged. I'm not sure if you can see all of them. One of my child's friends owned a set like this. Same brand. It used to be really good quality. The fitting has been proper, but seems like they're not doing their quality control very well. So a lot of broken pieces, and it's quite hard to assemble and disassemble independently by a child.
So this is the book for the MAGBLOCK, and these are the tiles for the MAGBLOCK. As you can tell, she's already playing with it, and it's a lot sturdier. In the book, it tells you how many pieces it has. It tells you how to assemble different parts of your MAGBLOCK tiles. And it gives you the amount that you'll need for each of your towers. It just depends what you're trying to do. It doesn't give you step by step how to do it, but it does give you, the amount that you will need. We just did this one, as you can tell. It's just like the picture shows. And she just rolled the marbles in it. It came with these big marbles. And I'm gonna test them out with the other little balls that came with the other package. That's a different style, a different brand, I should say. So, we're gonna try. Ven aquí. Dale. They all landed in there, and it did really well with these as well. Oh, here you go. Yay! It might have been that they got full in here already. You can even open the little door so the balls can come out a lot easier. There, Mama. Let's try again. Mom. Dale. And I left the door open. It makes it easier. And I put a little towel at the end so they wouldn't go to the other side. That's a lot better.
Okay guys, I'm going to review the MAGBLOCK brand magnetic tiles today. These magnets are very strong. I ordered a few different sets. We have the little ramps that you can throw a marble down, and these little trains, and all different types of triangles. There's all different types of openings and doors and windows. Honestly, the best purchase that we ever made. Kids play for these for hours. The magnets are actually very strong. They're very durable, and we've had this set about 2 years. I think we got it for Christmas 2 years ago, and it is holding up just great, aside from all the pieces my kids have lost because they play with these non-stop. They are still going strong. Really great set. Bye, Pila. Cuidado, be careful. Be careful.
I really like the spinning part.